Welcome to John's Random Reviews.
Welcome back to John's Random Reviews. This is Man vs Dog Part 2. If you remember from last time, the last challenge was in actually a flooded quarry. Today we're down at Seaton, which is in Cornwall. And we're going to do it, but against 3 dogs. We're going against Pepper and Coco. That's Doris. And that's Coco over there. We've got two Labradoodles against Pepper. Pepper is a part German Shepherd and part Labrador. So, who will win? Watch this space. Okay, let's get on with it. Very close. I got my hand nearly onto the ball. And I don't know which dog has still got it. Pepper. Okay. Well done, Pepper. You're the champion again. I've been beaten by a dog again.
Coming soon to YouTube, Cornish Baywatch, starring John Nixon as Barry Barnacle, Seaton Beach's top lifeguard. See him keeping everybody safe, especially the ladies. Oh no, Barry's on another rescue mission in Cornish Baywatch. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, unsubscribe, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, tell me you love me, tell me you hate me, tell your friends and neighbours, tell that weird guy from across the street with the one-eyed dog, tell me anything, but most importantly, let's get involved.